Open sheets.google.com and create a blank spreadsheet. Name it, for example, Contact Form Submissions. Add headers for each field: first name, last name, phone number, email, message, preferred date, preferred time, website/social media, Tally event ID, and Browse AI task ID. In Make, close the operation output panel. On the right side of the Tally trigger, click the plus button to add another module. Select Google Sheets, then add a row. Connect your Google account if prompted. Select your spreadsheet and sheet name. Leave Table Contains Headers set to Yes. Map each field from the Tally form to the correct column in Google Sheets. For example, drag first name from the panel on the right to the first name field on the left. Do this for all the fields. For clear identification, add the Tally event ID for your event ID column. Then click Save. To test, click the drop-down next to Run Once, then select the last run, and click Run Once. You should see green check marks for Tally and Google Sheets. Now, in Google Sheets, the form data should appear in the correct columns.